This is Max Stöckl, a downhill mountain biker who's best known for breaking the world speed record on a production bike in Nicaragua. Now Max has a new challenge that he's wanted to accomplish for over 15 years. He's going to ride his bike down the legendary Streif in Kitzbühel, Austria. It's the most demanding and spectacular race of the Downhill Ski World Cup. It's fast, icy, and extremely dangerous. The skiers who take on the mountain are considered to be the bravest athletes in the sport. They're also the craziest.
I doubt that there are many people out there which want to do it, because it's a point of no return when you leave the start gate.
The Streif is a challenge right from the start. At the Mauserfalle, Max will be faced with the steepest point of the Streif at an insane 85% incline. If he's still on his bike after that, the legendary carousel will build up G-forces that triple his body weight up to 300 kilograms. When he enters the Steilhang, that's when the real trouble arrives. It's the mountain's iciest point, and Max will have to contend with a 62% incline. If Max has made it this far, he's far from done. The legendary traverse is where the strong are sorted from the weak. He will face a 38% lateral incline with cramping muscles and fatigue setting in. With the finish line and the crowd in their sight, many skiers have fallen victim to this section. The Streif is a mountain with no mercy.
It's on the edge, and to go to the edge is always fun and thrilling. But it's also that you miss the edge and fall off, you don't die. Of course you have respect, and you know what's going on and what you're planning to do. So many people out there said, no chance, that's not possible. I like to reach my own goals, so it's a must.
At the start, Max is told he has 1 minute to go. He manages to calm himself, and his heart rate drops from 110 to 62 BPM.
Probably I'm more nervous at home in bed thinking about it as actually standing at the start and just waiting for the last seconds to come.
As Max passes the Mauserfalle, he experiences one especially treacherous feature of the Streif. The curves slope outwards and the gradient drops away to the outer edge. Here skiers have a huge advantage, with 4 meters of razor-sharp edges compared to a much smaller contact surface area on the bike.
And you can't even block the wheels because it's so much force and so much weight on the tires, and you would burn any brake which is existing for mountain bikes within 4 seconds.
Now Max comes to the trickiest part, the Steilhang. A steep gradient is never a problem for Max as long as he doesn't have to change direction quickly. At the last minute, Max is forced to do exactly that. Within a fraction of a second, G-forces kick in and gravity wins. Max has to go back to the start and try again.
I think it's necessary to be a calm person. Because if you rush things or go too crazy, it just limits your lifespan a lot.
On his 4th attempt, Max is no longer able to control his heart rate. Stress is building. Finally, he makes it. But now, his muscles need more oxygen than he can provide. They're starting to cramp, and his fibers threaten to tear.
not afraid of crashing and getting hurt, and I don't see me dying up there, so there's no fear. You're on the brakes fully for 2-3 seconds, and then you try the traverse, which is the most difficult part for the skiers, because by that time they're really sore, the legs are burning. The steepest part off camber is 38 degrees, and you have to traverse. With the bike, it's just on the edge. Like, if the gate would be 10 meters further, I couldn't get there. First motivation was just to go down and have fun. To get the chance to ride the bike on the Streif was one of my big dreams. And now it's like there is a way to get down, and it's even quite fast actually.